Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to secure Gmail account of Android. First of all, open Gmail. Click on the profile icon from the top right corner. Then click on Google account from here. Go into Security and scroll down. Here, you can see two-step verification. Security code which you will get to verify it's you. In security, you see different options used to make your account secure. Passkeys, password, recovery phone, email. Click on two-step verification. If you turn on two-step verification, your account will be secure. You can also use the security code option. So, as a recovery phone, where you enter your phone number for verification. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.